Your async app freezes. No exception, no traceback. You have a deadlock. Start with asyncio debug mode. Set pythonasyncio.Debug to 1 before launch, or call loop.setDebug true at startup. This surfaces unawaited coroutines, slow callbacks, and resource warnings, giving you the diagnostic signal you need to proceed. Now, identify which tasks are stuck. Call asyncio.AllTasks to list every pending coroutine in the loop. Then call printStack on each task to see its full await chain. Inside a coroutine, asyncio.CurrentTask tells you exactly what is running right now. You are looking for 2 tasks blocked waiting for each other. That circular dependency is your deadlock. 3 root causes account for most asyncio deadlocks. First, circular awaits. Task A waits on B while B waits on A second, blocking synchronous calls like requests.get that sees the entire event loop thread. Third, acquiring multiple locks in an inconsistent order across coroutines. Trace lock issues by logging every acquire and release of your asyncio.Lock or semaphore objects. For prevention, wrap acquisition in asyncio.timeout. That gives you a clear error rather than an infinite hang. Also enforce a strict, consistent lock ordering across all your coroutines. Enable debug mode, dump all tasks and their stacks, trace your lock lifecycles, and set timeouts on every acquire. Those are the tools of asyncio deadlock debugging. Subscribe for more Python deep dives. Want to get better at answering questions like this? With Interview Mentor, you practice real interview questions out loud. You get personalized feedback and a grade on every answer, and you can track your improvement over time.